Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Samsung Soundbar C450 soundbar. This is 2.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer, DTS Visual X. This soundbar is bass boost, adaptive sound lit, game mode. Can hook this soundbar to your TV via Bluetooth optical cable. When we open this soundbar up, we're going to find out if we can hook it up via HDMI cable. This is wireless surround sound compatibility. So we're going to check it out, see what is inside, and I hope this will help you to make informed choice about this gear. This soundbar is with Dolby Audio. Here we go. This is the subwoofer here, and information pack, power cable, battery. Is using AAA battery for the remote, and remote included in the packaging, and also wall mount. This is the soundbar here. Nice, very light. Nice packaging. This is very light. Here we go. So the top is formica, is wood, and the front is cloth. So black clothing in front of it. Very nice, very slim. Dolby Audio DTX 2.1 channel. See what it looks like. Now this is the subwoofer here. Beautiful. This is the subwoofer. So this is the manual remote control included in the packaging. This is the remote, Samsung remote. Power cables. So one is for the subwoofer and one is for the soundbar and wall mount, and also the battery. and the battery, triple A battery. So optical cable and HDMI cable not included in the packaging. So this is the subwoofer. This is what we have here. This is the subwoofer and remote control. Power cables. So 2 power cables included. One is for the subwoofer and one is for the soundbar. And this is the wall mount and the battery and information pack. So optical cable and HDMI cable not included in the packaging. So this is what is in the box. So we're going to measure this soundbar from this end to this end is 86 centimeter length, 86 centimeter. The weight is 8 centimeter weight. Now subwoofer is 8.8 centimeter, okay, and the front, from the front to the back, is 30 centimeter. Then from this angle, the height 34.5 centimeter. Okay, and so the power cable goes in here where it's written power. Now this end you have digital audio in and USB. So the port digital audio in for optical cable and USB port and the power cable. Okay, so you can connect this with HDMI cable. You can connect it via optical cable and Bluetooth, okay, and USB. Now I'm going to show you how to set this up using the mobile phone. First of all, what we need to do is you need to put the battery, okay, inside the remote control. So we have the triple A battery is what it's using. Okay, so take the negative to the negative end and positive, okay, to the end where it's supposed to be. So okay, now push this up. Okay, this is the remote. And this is the power cable. We take this cable, plug it, okay, to the back of the subwoofer, push it in. If you want to reset this subwoofer, you need to press this button here for you to reset it for 5 seconds. Then take this and plug it on to the power, and you can see, okay, so you can see the blue light is flashing. It's not yet paired. Once it's connected, it should be a steady blue light. This power cable goes to the power. So push it inside to the power and plug it on to the socket. This soundbar, you can also control it from the top. So this button here on the top is for you to switch it on. The minus is for you to decrease the volume. The plus is for you to increase the volume. This button here is input for you to select optical or USB or Bluetooth. So we're going to switch this on, and you can see it's showing us hello, D in. So now we need to select Bluetooth, showing us BT. Okay, then select Bluetooth pairing. So once you use the input to select Bluetooth, then you select the Bluetooth pair, and it will show you Bluetooth pairing. So now we need to look for this soundbar using our mobile phone. And if you look here, Okay, the light is steady blue light, which means that these are linked together. So we're going to now look for this soundbar using the mobile phone. You can connect this using your laptop, mobile phone, TV, etc. Any Bluetooth gadget. So go to your mobile phone settings, go to connections. So go to your mobile phone and switch the Bluetooth on, then select Bluetooth. It will start to look for available Bluetooth device. What we are looking for is Samsung C series. Here we go, Samsung C series. Select on it. Bluetooth pair request, pair with Samsung C series, C4 series, select pair. And it's paired. If you look here, it will show you the telephone. So this is now connected in Bluetooth. Then if you go up, you will see connected for audio. Now we're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. I'm going to put a link how you can get Epidemic Sound. So I'm going to save music. This is the audio. So this is this subwoofer. Beautiful. This is surround. Game. Adaptive. DTS Visual X. Bass Bust. This is brilliant stuff. So I'm going to talk to you about the remote control for this soundbar. You switch the soundbar on and off from here. This button here is the input. You use this to select Bluetooth or optical cable or USB. When you select Bluetooth, then you need to select Bluetooth pair. You select this button to pair. The center one is pause and play. And this button here is mute. Then this button here, if you push it upwards, then you increase the volume. If you push it downwards, then you decrease the volume. This button here, if you push it upwards, you increase the volume for the subwoofer. If you push it downwards, you decrease the volume for the subwoofer. This button here is display. When you select display, it will show the connection you are currently connected the soundbar with. It will show you Bluetooth BT and also show you the gadget you are using. The center one is sound mode. You select this sound mode for you to go to bass, boost, or you select it again, it will go to standard. If you select it again, it will go to surround. If you select it again, it will go to game. Select sound mode again, it will go to adaptive sound. Okay, now this is visual center is displayed in a sequence. The desired setting can be adjusted using the up and down button. Okay, when the rear speaker sold separately are connected, the rear settings level is supported. Okay, and this button here is the sound control button. When pressed, the setting, audio sequence, voice enhancement on and off, and night mode on and off is displayed in a sequence. The desired setting can be adjusted using the up and down button. So when you select this, it will show, you can see it's showing us now voice enhancement. Okay, and this is night mode. Okay, so it depends on particular one. Once you select it, then you use up and down button, up and down here, for you to adjust it accordingly. This is tone control. When pressed, the setting, treble and bass is displayed in a sequence. The desired setting can be adjusted. So this is the treble. Okay, use up and down. You can see it's going up to +2, or it's currently +2. So when you select this, okay, treble or bass, then use up and down to adjust it. Okay, so the bass is maximum it can go to is 6 +6. So guys, what I want to do is to show you how to connect this Soundbar to your TV via optical cable. Optical cable is not included in the packaging. I'm going to put up a link how you can get this optical cable. So do this connection. First of all, you need to unplug the Soundbar and take one end of the optical cable, go in where it's written digital audio / optical, digital audio in. Okay, and it's in. So push it inside. Now take the other end of the cable to your TV where it's written digital optical audio out. Push it inside. Okay, so it's in. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to connect the TV and soundbar to the power. So plug the TV to the power and plug the soundbar and subwoofer to the power. And if you look, the subwoofer is currently flashing. Once you switch the soundbar on, the light will be steady on. Okay, once it's recognized. So the next thing we need to do is we need to switch the soundbar on, and it's showing us hello. Now the next thing to do, you need to use the input. Go to D in. If you look on the subwoofer, the light is steady on. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to switch the TV on.
For shoe pastry.
This is TV audio. Now go to your TV settings. So scroll down to the sound, and it's showing us TV speaker. You need to select on it. Scroll to the side to optical out device, select on it. This is now connected, and when it's in optical, you need to use this is the audio. So use the soundbar remote to increase the volume.
This hand is squeezing, this hand deciding where the mixture's going.
This is the audio.
I like canopies that are chunky.
So it's showing us now optical out device.
But I actually think there should be almost little mini meals. So
going to move this from one place, don't want to leave it in one particular place. This is how to connect this soundbar to TV using optical cable. So what I'm going to do now is to switch everything off and switch the soundbar off. Unplug the optical cable. So this is the optical cable. Okay, so we want to connect this via Bluetooth. Switch the soundbar on. Once you switch it on, it will show you hello, and it's currently showing us digital audio in. You need to use the input to select BT. It's showing us BT, then you select pair. Once you select BT, then you select pair. It will be in BT pairing mode. Now we need to switch the TV on. And this TV now, okay, is currently in optical mode. So we need to go to the settings. So go to your TV settings. Once you're at TV setting, you need to scroll down to the sound. Scroll to the sound. It's showing us now optical out device. Select on the sound. Then go to BT, Bluetooth device. Scroll down to the device list and select enter. It will start to look for available device. So it's searching for available Bluetooth device. And this soundbar is Samsung Soundbar C450 series. You pick it up, so select on it. It's connecting.
For the past 5
It's connected. So this is the audio. And when it's in Bluetooth mode, you can control the volume using the 2 remote control, using
into a pole.
TV remote control.
Packs this into cloth.
Likewise using the soundbar
Then the pulp is pressed.
remote control. Do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. This is how to connect this to your TV via Bluetooth and information regarding the remote control. Thank you and step.